Alright guys, welcome back to yet another video. This time around we have a gift from a brand. There's a couple brands sending me stuff. We get to unbox this and find out who it is, take a look at it, give you my opinion, my first impressions. Alright, let's jump right into it here. Oh. Alright, seems like Christmas is here. So, we got some fill lights, 6 of them from our friends at Aochuan. Smart X SE, Smart X Pro, and then the S2. Alright, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start with the smaller one and work our way to the biggest one. Alright guys, let's start with the fill light. Plastic packaging with a bag paper. So, let's see. Pretty simple to open. There's a tape in the top. As far as the packaging design, it's just a clear plastic with the shape of the product, and then it has Aochuan's logo and then description, name of the product at the bottom. Is the RBG fill light. If I'm not mistaken, this goes onto the gimbal. It sticks to the gimbal, and then of course you got the buttons on top, power and the mode button. It seems that it could be used while it's plugged into the power. Hold to power on, hold to shut down. Mode, so you click once, twice, 3 times. I guess it's just the power. Let me try to hold it in and see if it does anything else. Yeah, I don't think it does anything else. Okay, so when you click on the power button, the RGB colors pop out. So you got intensity on the mode, and then the power changes the colors. Nice. I'm gonna lower the ISO so we could take a closer look to the actual light itself. See, so that's red, and then the intensity. Okay, and then we got blue, we got the green, we got the purple, it's like a magenta, cyan, and then the white one. Of course the yellow as well. Awesome. And then just hold it to shut off. Alright, now for sure we're gonna jump into the gimbals. Alright, let's check this one out. This is the Smart XE. Let's inspect the box real quick. The very front has a picture of the product, logo. This has a sticker, I'm not sure what it is for. The description, 3-axis smartphone stabilizer, the product name Smart XE. The very back will have back photo of the device. It has a QR code to download the app onto Mac or Android. Information about the brand, barcodes, and it has the description of some of the specs: 3-axis, 3 shooting modes, easy fold, zoom and focus controls, and the app that's included with the device. Side will have the logo, other side will have a photo, the side view of the product, and then the packing list, which includes the stabilizer, tripod, Type-C cable, user manual, and of course the smartphone is not included. Top part blank, bottom part is blank. Alright, let's open this baby up. This is the second box. It has a little trademark Master Sleep Always Leads brand Aochuan. I hope that's how it's pronounced. Please correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. And boom, open. There it is. So we got the tripod, the base of the gimbal. We got the USB-C cable to USB, and then we got our gimbal. At the very back under the gimbal you'll find a quick guide how to unfold it, apps, product information, a bunch of QR codes, warranty card. You also have instructions how to operate and charge the gimbal, and then the specs are right here. Okay, and the cable will charge the device. Let me see if this one has it. You see the magnet here? You will put this here, so that way you can utilize the light with any of the gimbals that we're gonna unbox today. Alright, well, this was it for this unboxing. Let's jump into the next gimbal, which is the Smart XPro. We're gonna put this on the side and we'll come back to it to do a little comparison. Very similar packaging as you can see for the Smart XPro. Description of the product, picture of the product, logo on the top, name of the product at the bottom. The very back will have a couple photos of the device in use, and as you can see it also includes a filler light already. It has a list. It's a 3-axis stabilization gimbal, 3 selection fill light, which is the one that we see here, OLED display on the gimbal, wireless charging clip, replaceable battery, of course, zoom and focus controls, easy fold, and of course the app is included, which you'll use the QR code to download either to Apple or Android devices. Let's see, top is blank, bottom is blank, side will have their quote, master sleep always leads. Other side will have just the logo. Alright, let's open this baby up and let's open it up. Very similar, pretty much the same box inside. And here's the gimbal. So you got your tripod, cable, user manual. This was a little thicker. Of course, this goes down here. And that's the gimbal. This was the Smart XPro. Let's jump onto the next one. Alright, let's do this one next. This is the S2. Let's inspect the box. We got the picture of the product name of the device, logo on top, the description down here. The very back will have a picture of the back of the product. S2, extend your inspiration. It has a description of some of the specs. Industry standard 3-axis, OLED display, focus and zoom, controls, 360 inception mode, integrated fit light, the one that you see here, extension rod. It has an integrated extension rod, built-in microphone, and it has the app. Use the QR code to download for Apple or Android devices. Packing list: gimbal, tripod, charging cable, microphone cable, lining microphone cable, user manual, and a storage bag. Let's check the side. This side has the name of the product. The other side is completely blank. Top portion has their social media QR codes, and the very bottom has barcodes, information about customer support, and some other logos and information about the brand. Let's open this baby up. All right. Alright guys, the first thing we see is a container for the product, a little carrying case. Then a spec sheet with some instructions how to mount it, how to download the app, how to connect the gimbal to Bluetooth, how to swap from portrait to landscape mode. And let's check this baby out. I like the carrying case. Carrying case, if you have a product that you know it needs a carrying case, please for the love of God, include it. It's great if you have a carrying case. Okay, let's take a look at it. The front is pretty straightforward, brand name over here. The back has casing silhouettes for the product inside, a little handle to carry the gimbal, and zippers. This is great. This is a full manual. Cool. It goes here. You got charging cable, you got USB-C connectors, USB-C to Lightning as well, so for Android or your Apple devices. Your tripod right here, pretty large. I love when it's a stable tripod. This seems like one of those. All right, let's take this out. This goes down here. Oh, the build quality on this is fantastic. I really like it. I like the packaging, I like the build, I like how it looks. I like that it's not just flimsy. The build quality on this one, this is better, much better, much nicer. Let's check out all three gimbals, and I'm actually gonna include the regular. So I'm gonna include the regular Smart X. All right, so right here we got all four gimbals. We got the regular Smart X, the Smart XE, the Pro, and the S2. This one looks fantastic. It's larger. It will support and give you a better stability when used. This section right here is about the same height. Now you will notice that focus wheel is not included in this one. This is just a nut to connect other items. Also, you'll notice the build quality right here is completely different. This looks more robust than this. On the other side, pretty much the same. You get your charging port, tripod, pretty much the same. This you have your focus wheel, zoom, you have zoom here as well. Other than that, they look exactly the same. There might be some specs as phone capacity, speed, stability. Once again, this is my first impression, so I'm not really familiar with what the main difference are between them all, but I could tell that I would be really happy to use this one. This one right here looks beautiful. It feels amazing. Just the feel alone is gonna make a huge difference. You have your wheel right here, you have an additional mount right here. The controls, they feel well built. I'm excited to find out actually what is the main difference between them all, but I'm really excited for this one. I'm super excited for this one. Oh, before I head out, we have the fill lights that you're gonna be able to mount pretty much to every single one, as you can see right here, and this one doesn't have it. The regular X doesn't have it. Let me see if the big one has a location for this to be mounted on, and I don't see it. It does include a very big one, so I don't think it needs it. Nice. So this will be utilized for this too. This was the unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Javier Morales. If you like content like this, please consider subscribing. Let me know down in the comments, what do you think about each one? What do you think about the brand? For you, do you think it's worth it? Do you have better options out there? What are the pros and cons between this brand versus another one? I would like to hear your opinion and perhaps even have a conversation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. This was the unboxing. Thank you, Aochuan, for sending me all this, and that's it for me today, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one.